Hello, hello, hello. All right, we have Black Friday coming up, and I'm actually about to build a landing page on my website for my Black Friday special offer. And I thought, well, I might as well live stream me building it from scratch to show you exactly how to do it. Now, if you're using a learning management system such as Thinkific, Kajabi, LearnWorld, Zenler, all those different platforms out there, you can obviously build your landing pages directly on your learning management system platforms. It's really important that you know that. If you are using those platforms, one of the benefits of them are that you do not need a website. Okay, you don't need a website if you've got a learning management system. However, for the big long-term future picture, it's advisable that you do also get a website down the line, because you want all of your marketing going to your own site. You want the traffic going to your own site. The more traffic and clicks that your website is getting, the more it's going to come up in the Google search rankings, the more power and control you have over your own platform, and so on. So I have got to the point now where I actually usually use the landing pages on my own website to sell and promote my courses, and I market everyone to my own website. But I still use a learning management system to host all of my course content. So the button where it says buy now, or the checkout where it says buy now, auto redirects people straight to the checkout for the course on my learning management system. What I'm going to do in this call is I'm actually going to, for real, I'm building my actual Black Friday offer on my website right now. It's going to be a long live stream because I'm going to just sit here and let you watch me build the page on my website. I'm actually going to show you how I build a landing page on my own site using WordPress, and how I connect that payment button to my learning management system, so in my case, Thinkific. So I'm going to just basically start sharing my screen here with you now. And like I say, this is going to be a very slow live stream, because I'm going to literally take you behind the scenes to my website. So I'm going to move my platform here and I'm going to start sharing with you. So what I've got is the back end of my website right here. When you are using WordPress, this is what the behind the scenes looks like. And we're going to be creating a landing page. So over on the left-hand menu, we're going to click on pages, because we're creating a landing page, and we're going to press add a new page. Now, normally, guys, I would actually just duplicate a page that I've already built, but I want to actually demonstrate to you how to completely start from scratch here. And I'm actually using a page builder called Beaver Builder. Now what you see here, this is the standard generic WordPress building page, but you can buy a page builder like ThinPress, like Beaver Builder. I can't even think of any more off the top of my head right now. And I like these page builders because they have a little bit more functionality than the standard default basic builder that you get with WordPress. So you'll have, first of all, a completely empty page. And I have obviously prepared a few things earlier, such as my images and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to add modules. Modules are the types of content that we're adding to the page. So the first module I want to add, I'm going to drag and drop, is a photo. I want that banner image going along the top that's going to tell people what my Black Friday special offer is. And what I'm going to do, we're going to select a photo, and I need to upload a photo. Now I've actually just got my photos ready. I made mine in Canva. So I'm just going to go to my, let's go to pictures, and I've got one called the Course Creation Success Bundle. So this is an image that's going to talk about what the overview of my offer is. This is especially for Black Friday. So I'm going to also make sure I title my image, because the title of images is searchable by Google. So we really want to make sure that our titles and our words of our images are really important. So I'm going to call this the Course Creators Success Bundle by Sarah Cordiner, and I'm also going to write the words Black Friday in there as well, because it's going to be a special offer. Select photo, and now here we are. We have our photo now showing here on the top of the screen. Now we're going back to modules. We also want to add in some text. So for instance, I might add in a heading. So I can drag and drop the heading function over here. Now, by the way, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type them in. So I'm going to click on my headings title, and I'm going to call this the Ultimate Course Creation. Is it Course Creation? Yeah, Creation Success Bundle. Bundle. And I'm going to call this, actually, I'll put another line for the Black Friday special offer. So now we can go to style. And in style, this is where we can change the font. It's where we can change the size of the font. So you see, we can make it a lot bigger. We can change our, whether it's centered. We can change the color and absolutely everything in here as well. So I'm just going to keep mine really nice and simple. The Ultimate Course Creation Success Bundle. I'm also going to add a tiny bit of text to explain what this is. Now, I can't remember the full price of this. I have also got my information ready. So let me go and find my Course Creation Success Bundle. AppSumo, because I originally had this on AppSumo. Copy. So I have got all my copy ready as well. So one of the things I recommend you do, guys, is you actually prepare the copy that's going to go on your landing page first. I never type my copy directly into a landing page builder or a website builder, because if your internet cuts out or something doesn't save properly, you've lost everything. I like to type all of mine out first in a Google document, and I've got that right here. So I'm pretty sure I've come up with the total price of this. I can't even remember how much it is. All right, I can't, but let me just go back to my page builder. I'm going to type in something like don't miss this Ultimate Course Creation Success Bundle Black Friday offer. What have I got in here? 3 courses and 7 books. 3 times online courses and 7 times ebooks. All right, I'm going to leave that there for now. Now you'll see here we've also got like quite a lot of spacing between the letters. We can actually change the spacing here by going to advanced and changing our top margins to be smaller, so that you don't have all of these gaps and everything going on here. But then I'm going to just put my success bundle there. And the first thing I want under my image is a button. So let's go to modules, and in search for modules, you can actually type in button. You can type in the kinds of things that you're looking for. So I'm going to drag and drop a button over here. And you'll see that I can now, I've got a little button showing up, and we can obviously edit this however we want. So the first thing I'm going to put now is, let's put let's put capital letters. Get the Black Friday bundle offer now. Just $49 USD. Now, by the way, I do recommend that you put in whether the currency that you're actually using. We're in an international world now, but people do like to know what currency it is before they even click. That is a thing. And then it's going to ask us here, where do you want people to go when they've actually clicked this button? Do you want them to go to a link? Yes, we do. And what link do we want to send them to? So this is where I go on into my Thinkific account. Now, if you're using Kajabi, Zenler, Samcart, LearnWorlds, any of those platforms, this process is the same. You will have a link to your course, but we're not looking for the link to the course. We're actually looking for the link to the checkout. So normally we would just grab this share your link thing, but we're not going to go to that, because then it will take us to the landing page. We're going to bypass the landing page completely. I'm going to go to pricing. This particular bundle is only $49, and you'll see here under pricing, I can copy the link, and that will take the clicker straight to the payment page. So it bypasses the landing page on the learning management system and takes them directly to the checkout itself. So when I go back to my page builder, I'm going to paste in the URL to the checkout in the link box here. And so I know this is a little bit small for you guys to see. And I always take them to a brand new window as well. So I'm going to save that for the time being. But now I want to make this button look a bit better, because at the moment it just looks like red text. So now we're going to go to style. And we can choose whether it's centered. So let's center it first of all. And we can choose the text color. So my text color, let's pretend, actually I'll leave the text color for now. I want to do the background color first. So I'm going to choose my background color. I might make this blue. Should I make it blue? Yes, I'm going to make that one blue. And then I can go back and change the text color. Okay, so my text color now I'd like to be white. Boom. So there we go. We can even put in sort of borders. We can choose borders that go on around here. So if I was going to pick a border, I might make that like bright yellow so that it sticks out. And how thick do I want my borders to be? Do I want them to be solid lines? And you can choose here how thick you want those borders to be. See, so we can bring them down really, really small. So that's 2, just means I've got to make all the borders around the outside the same. So you can see now I've got a very faint yellow line around here. And I can still, I've spelt my thing wrong. Bundle offer now, USD. If I don't like it blue, I think I might change that to red, actually. Let's change that to a nice red color. Boom. Oh, it's a bit too bright. Darker red. There we are. And I might make that border a tiny bit thicker. Let's do size 4. Let's see what that looks like. A bit thicker now. Nice. All right. So now, so far, we've got our title. We've got a very simple one-line description. We've got the image that explains and shows what's in it, and we've got the opportunity for them to buy. Now, the next thing I want to do is add in a bit more information about what they actually get. So as I said before, I've kind of pre-written out some of my stuff here. So I'm going to grab this text information piece by piece. So I'm first of all just going to take this first couple of sentences that explains what my offer is all about. I'm going to go back to modules and I'll add in some text. So drag the text editor over and in the editing area, press paste over here. And again, we can go to style. If we want to change our font, we can change the font to absolutely anything we want in here. Now, I normally use Oswald in my branding. So let me just go grab some Oswald. Do you want it light, extra light, normal? What size do you want the font? So you can change all of that over here. For now, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to keep it all looking the same. What font was used there? Oh, it's called default font. So I'm going to go back to default font just for now. Default. The default font was. There it is. Just going to pick that. All right. Now, the next thing you'll see I've got is some bullet points. So what do you get in this bundle? Really important that you're nice and clear with people what it is they're actually getting. All right. So I am going to add what do you get as a heading. So I'm going to grab the heading section. I'm going to pull that over and paste in what do you get. All right. Nice and easy. Press save. And now I want to add some kind of like checklist or bullet points. So I'm going to go back to my builder and I'm going to go to modules and I'm going to type in, let's do checklist. We've got a checklist. No, have we got list? We've got a list. Okay, so let's pull the list icons over, drag and drop. And now we can start building our list items. So the first list item is we've got to choose our icon. And I'm going to make mine checkboxes. Okay, so you can see here you can choose any icons you want. I'm going to choose that one. And you can change this, by the way, so don't freak out if you don't like it. Leave empty. Okay, what's your list content? So now I'm going to pull over each of my items. There's checklist item number 1, paste, save. And it should come up over here now. Minute. There we go. So now I don't like that icon. It's not showing up very nice. So I'm going to change the icon to something different. Let's see what that one looks like. Give it a second to load. And that's feeling really small as well. Let's replace that. Let's just do a big check. So you see here, you can just keep checking and changing. You can't break anything. It's all easy to do. Now with our style, you can change headings, colors, all of your padding. Item padding, let's do our left side here. I just want to put some space between the checkbox and the item. No, okay, let's leave that. Right, now I'm going to add more items. Okay, so let's go back to our list items. We should be able to save that. I'll play around my checkbox things in them open. Add another list item. Now I'm just going to copy and paste over all of my items. So bear with me 1 second. I'm actually just going to do 2 screens so it's easier to drag over each of my items from my sheet. So you see here, I'm just going to drag each of these over, add a list item number 2. In fact, we can even actually copy and paste. I'm going to cross that one off. I'm going to duplicate the last item so that we have the same checkbox each time. So now all I've got to do is go paste, save. Get item number 3. Copy, duplicate the last list item. and paste, save. Okay, so you see now it's starting to build out our checklist of what they get included in this particular offer. So we'll pull this over again, copy, get the list item, save. I keep adding them over there. Duplicate this item again, edit, save. It's a bit of a tedious game here, but you can see that it's not as difficult or complicated as a lot of us think it might be. And I know I'm going quite fast here. You can go back and watch the recording of this again. Or, of course, you can join one of my courses in the Edupreneur Academy, where I walk you through how to do all of this stuff in much more detail, step-by-step screen demonstrations, particularly if you're joining my marketing course, which is inside your dashboard. If you're a member, it's only $47 to join that membership. Inside the marketing course there is actually a detailed tutorial on how to build your own landing pages and how to create upsells so that, you know, once people buy one thing, they get upsold another thing. So I'm just going to pull all of these over. What have we got next? One more ebook to add. As you can see, this bundle is one ridiculously amazing special offer. It's got jam-packed 3 whole courses, 7 ebooks in here. Anyone who gets this is most certainly getting themselves an absolute bargain. This is my Black Friday offer. All right, now I've added in all of my checklist items, and then I've got them some more descriptions here. So I'm going to make this bigger again so you can see what we've done. So you can see now we've added our title, header, we've added some text, we've added our image, we've added a button for people to buy, bit more information over here. Now I can add another buy now button down here if I want to. So what I can do is I can actually just copy this one. There's actually a duplicate button here. I can press duplicate. So instead of having to build that button all over again, I can literally just copy it. So it's saving you a lot of work, right? So now I can just drag that and drop it underneath my checklist. So you're giving people lots of opportunities to buy. Now I'm going to just add in some more text, drag and drop the text editor, and then press paste. So I've got a bit more text information in there. All right, save. The next thing I need to add in is, let's make this a bit smaller. I've got to add in, even more bullet point information. So I might just make this text for now so I don't have to keep doing all those checklist items. I'm just going to copy over this. And in the text editing area, boom, I can just add in my bullet points. There we go. And I've got some more text. I can probably just add all in the same box over here. Paste. I've got it. It's a bit boring, this particular page. I'm not going to go crazy on this. So here we go. We can see now we've got the title, the information, the button, a bit more information about what they get. And now I want to add in another button. So again, instead of creating this from scratch all over again, I'm just going to press duplicate. So I'm copying and pasting the button. I don't have to do any more editing or designing of that button. It's already done. Right, what else have I got inside my... That's it done. So that was nice and easy, right? So as you can see, guys, I'm just going to pull this down a tiny bit. Just by dragging over each of these elements over on the right hand side, I've now created for myself a very, very simple page that gives people the Black Friday special offer. Now, one thing that's really important here is because this is a special offer, I want people to know that there's a really short time that they can actually get hold of this. So adding a countdown timer is really, really cool. So I might just go over here and grab the countdown timer. So I'm going to go to the modules, type in count, and there's a countdown timer. I am going to put the countdown timer above the second button. And this is where now over here you can choose when this expires. So mine's going to be available until the 31st of November. So I'll make mine 1st of December at 1 a.m. Save. And so there we go. Boom. I've now got a countdown timer going on. Now I can change the style of this by clicking on it. We can change what the colors are of these buttons. So I could change this to like my bright red, for instance. I can change the sort of style to let's go. What else can we do over here? We can change to like whether it's circles and stuff like that. So where can I find that? Numbers, backgrounds. Okay, yes, we can add separators and things in there as well. But I'm just going to leave that to go. So I'm going to put maybe something like only available for a short time. You can add all that kind of scarcity features in there. But if I'm happy with that, you know, you can go through and give it a little check. I'm just going to press done and I'm going to press publish. Woo-hoo. So this is now published. But what I want to do is also make sure this URL at the top isn't kind of gobbledygook, because at the moment it's sarahcorner.com/12 blah, 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 a whole load of random numbers. Is I actually want to go back to my dashboard and change that URL to be like my own custom URL. So it looks nicer when we are playing around with it. So I'm going to type in, just go and find this page in my dashboard. And we have got, where is it? My Course Creators Success Bundle. Can't find it now. Let me just find it. Maybe if I just do it by most recently published, let's get rid of that. Published, published pages. Let's do by date, most recent one. Maybe that's the one we just published right now. Yes, it is. Didn't give it a name. So you'll see here, what we can do is press quick edit. Yes, that is the one. I'm going to call this the Course Creators Creation. Sorry, how have I spelled this correctly? The Course Creation Success Bundle. Yeah, and we've got the slug. So it says slug. This is a bit hard. Let me make this bigger for you. Where it says slug, this is where it will be yourwebsite.com/what is the slug. So my slug is going to be Black Friday. Or in fact, it could be Success Bundle. I'm going to do Success Bundle. There we go. Success Bundle. And I'm going to press update. So now when I send people to www.sarahcordiner.com/success bundle, press enter, it should, all being good, this is live, so boom, thank goodness that worked. So now it will send people to my Ultimate Course Creation Success Bundle. Don't miss the ultimate, haven't spelled that correctly, Course Creation Success Bundle Black Friday offer, 3 online courses and 7 ebooks. It's got the information, it's got the button. So what I'm going to do first of all is I need to go back and check my spellings, but I'm just going to press get offer now to check that our button is working. It should take us to the checkout. Boom, it does. So there it does. It will now take people to this checkout page. They put in their credit card and boom, they will be in. So I'm going to go back onto this page here and I am going to, got to go log back in, lost my page. I'm just going to log into my account. 1 second. Here we go to pages. And what I might do is I might even add in a few more images just to make it look a bit prettier. So I'm going to go and find my bundle. Oops, hope I put bundle, search that correctly. I'm going to go and fix my spelling mistake. Over here, Course Creation Success Bundle, open in Beaver Builder. And now I'm going to just add in some more of what they get. Where will I add this? What you get in the Course Creation Success Bundle? Check, check, check. I might add in like a carousel. Post carousel. Or I can add in, let's do that. I'm going to add in a little carousel over here. What's a carousel, you might ask? It's when you get different images loading. Oh, okay, so that's my post. So I'm going to remove that. I don't want posts carousel. Maybe we could put some kind of like gallery. Photo gallery, video gallery. Let's put in a little photo gallery. Wonder what that's going to look like. See, this is the cool thing about this is you can play around. Can't quite remember how these look when they come out. So general, let's do we want to do a collage or thumbnail? Let's do thumbnails. And we're going to add photos. And I've actually put a load of photos in a folder ready here. So I am going to put in an image of everything they get included in here. Boom, boom. So I'm going to just put in all the images of everything they get. press open, and that's going to load them all up. Make sure they're all checked. And the ones that are checked are going to come over into the sort of photo gallery. So as soon as they've all loaded, I'll just give that a second. This will bring over those images into the gallery section. And you can see here now, we've been on this live, I'm not sure how long, about 24 minutes, something like that. And you see 24 minutes, we've built out an entire landing page. We've connected it to our checkout in our learning management system. And people can now straight away go to sarahcorner.com/success bundle and actually buy this Black Friday offer right now. So this is pretty cool stuff. So you see here now, I've selected the photos that I want to be included in this gallery. I'm going to press update gallery. And it's just going to take a minute to load them, and hopefully it will show up in some kind of, there we go, it will show up a bit like that. Now, if you don't like the way that looks, and I'm not liking that because it's not showing the full of each of the images, you can basically change the size of the images over here. Okay, so I could make them much bigger, make them full size, for instance, and that should allow them all to come out, which it doesn't. So I'm not loving that. So I'm just going to basically go and delete that section. So you can see here, don't have to stick to anything. What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to see how many images I've got. I might just add little thumbnails. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 images. So two rows of 7 images will work well here. So I'm going to go create some rows, and I'm going to do, let's do like 3. Let's do 3 columns here. What's going to be in each of my columns? An image is going to be in each column. So let's drag and drop an image into that column there. And it will say, select a photo. Now we've uploaded all these images. This is going to be really nice and easy now. So I'm just going to choose all of the images that I want to show up here. Boom. And I'm going to go to modules, and I'm going to add a photo to that one too. And it will say, what photo do you want? Grab the next one, select. And then it will say modules, add another photo to the next one. What photo do you want? So you see here, it's pretty easy. Select photo. That's all included. So I can add maybe another line down here somewhere, or I can add 3 more. I can just add another row here, 3 columns, and do exactly the same thing again. So I can include all of my images. So let's go add another photo. And let's add they get the book bundle. Select. They also get another image. Then not only are they getting my 7 book bundle, they are also going to get my How to Create Profitable Online Courses course. So let's put that in there. They are also going to get my online school setup course. That's all going to be in there as well. All right, so you can see here now, by adding some images, it's making it look a little bit more pretty. I'm going to then add some more, like another heading perhaps. Let's add another heading. So this is just, you can just keep adding stuff as you go along. Let's just make it capitals. No, don't miss out on this amazing one-off Black Friday deal. Again, make sure I get my spellings right. I'm pretty good at going fast and just getting all my spellings wrong. Black Friday deal. Here's what you get. So we can go to general over here. If I want to create a new line, just add a bit of HTML code here. Break on the new line for us. Now, if I wanted to put like a separator here, for instance, this is the modules here, you can really be quite playful with. You see, there's a thing called a separator. I can separate the sort of section above with a little line. So you'll see I've added a little line there if you prefer that look of that. If you don't like it, you can just delete it. A lot of people get really scared building web pages because they think they're going to break stuff. And you really can't. You just simply go to modules, you drag and drop the things that you want. If you don't like the look of it, you just press remove. There's no breaking things around here. Now, where was that spelling I need to create? The ultimate. This ultimate. All right. Look, I don't fuss around too much with these things. I'm I just kind of go, can people understand it? Does it make sense? Does it clearly show what they get? You know, I might make this tiny little bit bigger. I might make my line height a bit smaller. So you can see those lines were really squashed together. If they can see what they're going to get, if it's really clear what they get, if there's a button there that they can click on and buy, it's absolutely fine. I might look at that and go, yeah, I'd rather that's centered. So let's make that nice and centered. I want my bullet points to be left aligned. So there we go. It's got all the information they could possibly need. It has everything that they could possibly want to see in there. What I might end this with is with some sort of reviews at the very bottom, which we didn't add in yet. So let's just add in a couple of modules. I'm going to add in 3 columns, pop my 3 columns under here. And I'm just going to add in some reviews. So pull a photograph over. And let's go to photos, add a photo. Let's chuck in a couple of these reviews. Boom. And obviously I prepared all of these earlier, and I just do all of my photos, by the way, in Canva, guys. I don't worry too much about spending a fortune on graphic design work. Most of them are screenshots of just Facebook reviews anyway. So you can't do too much editing on that stuff. It is what it is. Screenshot. Let's pull that one over here. All right. And then I think I'm happy with that. So I'm going to press done, press publish, and there we are. I now officially have a landing page, sarahcordiner.com/success bundle. This is my ultimate course creation success bundle for my Black Friday giveaway. I've created an image to show what they got. I've got a countdown timer going on. I've got the button that they can click on to grab that special bargain, all of the information about what they get and what's included, added some visuals. Again, the more visual you can be, the better people can see the value of what they're getting. Some more detail about what they will learn from it. And finally, a button at the end with a couple of reviews. That is all you need. That button now connects directly to my online school. If they click on that, it takes them straight to the checkout. Voila, people can now pay you. That, my friends, literally took 31 minutes and 50 seconds, including my waffling, to set up a landing page on my website. So now I can basically start running ads behind the scenes for this particular offer. So just again to show you how simple this is, right? If I'm going to go on over to my Facebook account over here, I'm going to go to my business page, click on my Sarah Cordiner business page. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to literally just set this up right now in front of your face just to show you how easy this is. I'm going to press promote. Let's get these ads up and running. Bonus lesson. Bonus lesson, my friends. Let's go. Let's get started. Let's create a new ad. And we're going to give away this Black Friday special offer right here. So we are going to, first of all, change the media. Select media. I'm going to upload media, and I'm going to upload my course creation success bundle image. There we go. So we've got that. We're going to press select. Voila. Now that's probably not going to show very well. So I do need to make a social media image size for this. So while I've got you here, let's actually do that. I'm going to go into my Canva account. Now I do have the paid version of Canva here, guys. So I'm going to just type in success bundle. See if I can just find this, my project. There it is, course create success bundle. I need to resize this to be a square that's going to be suitable for Facebook ads. So I'm going to resize this, and Facebook ad size is, or social media size is 1080 by 1080. Sorry, so this is 1080 by 1080 is what you need to be doing to get that square that looks better on social media. So you'll see now it's resized it into the square format there. So all I've got to do here is a bit of moving around just to make this a little bit more suitable. So drag, drop. I'm going to grab those 4 there and just make them all bigger at the same time. So we don't have to do too much mucking around. Let's grab this section here. All right. I've got this little bit over here. Where am I going to put that? Okay, we've got my face over there. Let's get me out of the way for a minute. All of those at once. We just want to go. Okay, looks good. Just going to drag these background images, elements behind. Okay. I will not have me on this, I don't think. So I'm just actually going to delete me completely. And I need to make a point of this, that it's a Black Friday offer. So I'm just going to add some text. I wonder if they've got any images for Black Friday. Let's have a look. I'm going to type in Black Friday. See what happens. Black Friday. I actually quite like. Let me see here. So this is where you can actually reuse stuff, guys. Like for instance, if you like that, do we like that? Might make it a bit too cluttered. Yeah, too cluttered. I don't like that one. So I'm just going to find something that I like the look of. Black Friday, Black Friday, Black Friday. You never know. You can find some good things in here. I quite like that thing there. Let's just get rid of that. And what you can do, I like using the, what's it called? The background remover. So if I just press the background remover on this, I might just get the fuzzy white. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. See what it's going to do. TikTok, TikTok, amazing internet. No, that did absolutely nothing. So let's delete that. I'm just going to use some plain old text. Let's just type in, here we go. We've got some plain old text. I'm just going to pull over. I'm just going to make it big for the time being so I can see. Black Friday, $49. I'm going to make this a really different color. Let's see what that does. Does that look horrendous? Nah, that looks fine. As you can see, I'm not somebody who's particularly fussy about stuff. I'm going to make that a bit smaller. Make that nice and big there. Okay. Anyone who's a designer watching this is probably completely freaking out and is like, Sarah, what are you doing? Oh, guys, it's not going to help anyone if it's still sat in your inbox, right? So just get it out there. I'm going to be the one making money while everyone else is fussing over their designs. All right, so let's just grab this. I'm going to call this the Facebook ad. So if I ever need to find it again, I've got it. Facebook ad, download it as a JPEG, press download. Oh, no, hang on. I think I just downloaded the whole entire thing. I don't need 2 pages. I only need 1 page. Let's try that again. Try again. Download 1 page. And boom, we've got it. All right, so let's just go back to Facebook. Where is she at? Where's Facebook gone? Here we go. Nope. Nope. Oh my God. How many pages have I got open? Where am I? There I go. Found it. Woo! We're there. Upload. Let's upload our new little social media image size we've just made. Let's get this ad pumping, baby. Let's get this ad pumping. Carol's like, loving it, creating a new landing page. It's so easy to do, isn't it? I know, let's just add in this stuff. I don't want that one. Where's my new one I just uploaded? Come on, slow internet, taking its time. Come on. Try again. It's been a bit slow. Open. Okay, let's go. This should make it a little bit easier when we come to do our images. Oh, it's still not actually working very well, is it? We might be able to change our dimensions shortly. You see here, you get your preview. It's actually cutting everything off. So it's really important that you check this. I am going to actually try one more time to re-upload this because we definitely want to be able to see the whole image. And I've had this problem a few times with Facebook ads, actually. I found that I have actually had to download it a couple of times before I've managed to get it working. And that's not going to go either. I'm just going to see if there's another place here to change the size of the ads. When you go in through your Facebook Business Manager, it does give you the option to actually change the dimensions of your picture on different devices. But we're doing the quick version here straight from our Facebook page, which is maybe why it might not be working. Edit options. I'm just going to try it again. Try the old one. If the old one's working better, so that's still cutting it off. Well, I'm going to just pause I'm going to finish this up on the live stream in a second with this video, because unless what we can do, hang on, I'm going to go back to my Canva here and I'm just going to go to resize Facebook ad and resize. Just going to try again, guys. I've just tried changing it to the Facebook ad size. See, again, it's not being awesome for us over here, but I'm happy with that. Let's just go download for this. Download as a JPEG. Let's try a different size again. So it's all a little bit of trial and error. Sometimes she wants to play, sometimes she doesn't. So let's just see if she wants to play with this one. Let's give it a go. Let's go to select media, upload a new image. So we've now got a different size. See if she likes that one, shall we? There we go. Select. Tiny bit better. So you can see here now it's got the Black Friday showing in our little preview. That is a little bit better. I would consider actually adding an image of me to that one because the sides look a little bit blank, but I'll just go with that one for now. Now, luckily, again, remember, I've done all of the pre-write-up here. So I am going to type in, I'm just going to type it on here. So Black Friday special. I want that to be capitals, actually. Black Friday special. 3 times online courses plus 7 times ebooks. That's $49. Value. It's pretty big because my course that's in there is normally $497. I've got 7 ebooks that are normally $30 each. So I'm just going to have to do the maths on that. $497. $497 plus I've got 7 ebooks. 7 times $27.99. Okay. Value over $200. Oh, plus the $498. Okay. All right. The ultimate course creator success bundle. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting, this is for my ad, for my Facebook ad. I want the Black Friday special to be the thing at the top. And I'm going to add some emojis to this as well. So I use a website called getemoji.com. And I'm going to look for a star. Actually, I want stars. Oh, do I want a bomb? I want a bomb or a star? Let's go for both for now. So I'm going to grab a star, press copy. And now I can just sort of add that here. I might put the star there, and I might just put the bomb at the beginning. Bomb. There she is. So I'm going to copy that. So I kind of got bomb. Black Friday special, the ultimate course creator success bundle. Oh my God, I've got this fly buzzing around my face, driving me mad. 3 online courses plus 7 ebooks. Okay, so I'm going to just then copy the whole text here. And I'm actually going to put all of the information. Copy. And I'm going to go back to my ad. Here we go. I always prefer to type this up in Word before I paste it over because the editor on here can be a bit of a pain in the butt. So I'm finding that all of that text is a bit too much. So I'm going to actually delete a little bit here. Developed by a postgraduate qualified educator with over 120 students in 168 countries. This course will show you exactly how to create and launch your very own online course, coaching program, for Membership Academy. And then we're going to put the link. So remember, we created the link on our page, sarahcorner.com/success bundle. That's the one that you've watched me actually build here on this particular live stream. And it only took us less than half an hour. Grab the Black Friday, with the Black Friday deal. Yeah. Now, I also usually put an emoji in ads. So I might just do pointing, point right. There we go. Point right. Copy that emoji and stick it in my Facebook ad. There we go. So it's pointing at it right there. So there we have it. Grab the Friday deal there. So what we've put in so far, we've got our text. So you'll see here that shows up on the right-hand side. Now you can also put in little checks. So you see here where it lists everything they get. I want to add little ticks or little checks to be like, yep, they definitely get that stuff. So I'm going to add a check emoji. So let's grab the check mark and copy the check mark. And we're going to go paste space. See. Paste space. Don't know if anyone's even still watching this live. I've been going on for ages now. Well, I hope it's helpful. Do comment if you're finding this useful. There we go. So we've got all our text. You see now here, it just breaks up the monotony of the text a little bit. And I might even put the Black Friday deal here somewhere at the top as well. Value, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to put, oh, where did that go? That like disappeared somewhere, didn't it? There we go. So you're gonna, this is why I don't like the Facebook editor too much. So there we go. We've got details, grab the deal, a bit more information, then the check boxes, and then finally at the very bottom, you've also got the link there as well. Okay, headline. What do you want the headline to be? I want my headline to be course creation success bundle. Oh, I hope I spelled it correctly. Okay, let's call it course success bundle. It's not giving me enough characters. Woohoo! Okay. Helen's watching in Canada. Yay, great timing. You've got this on the agenda tomorrow to build your landing page. Awesome. Yeah, if you watch this at the beginning, Helen, just scroll back. I've built the whole page already in just 30 minutes. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is, what do you want the button label to say? Well, we want them to grab it now. So we're going to choose our call to action. Shop now, sign up, download, book now. I might go for sign up. Let's go for sign up. Okay. Now we've got to add the URL to our website. So let me just go back up to my website again. Copy that URL. Go back to my ad builder. What's the website URL? So it's the landing page we've just built. Okay, so it's going to, again, always keep checking over in your preview on the right-hand side here, because if you're not sure what certain things do, it will show you. It will show you live what you're doing. Now, next, we're going to go and change our audience. So I wonder if I can use a previous audience. People you choose through targeting. If I got a saved audience here, let's see if I can change it. Oh, screw it. I'll just start from the beginning. So I'm going to change my audience to people over the age of 28 and upwards. And I'm going to go for specific countries. In fact, we can actually start to get this ad off the ground. I'm going to start off worldwide just to get this ad pumping to begin with. So when you choose worldwide, make sure you choose region, because if you choose address, it will be a very weird place. Now you can also choose sort of detailed targeting here. So I specifically want to choose entrepreneurs, business owners, things like that. So go in and add all of your details, the different type of people that you want to work with. The more targeting you add in, obviously, the more quality your leads are going to be. So just go in here and chuck in absolutely anything that you think relates to your business owners. So I'm just going to chuck in some of the suggestions. What I like about this is it actually gives you some pretty good suggestions based on the people that follow your page already. So I'm going to start chucking some of those in. We can add in more. Let's type in marketing, interests marketing. We can do page admins, business page admins, Facebook page admins, page admin, business page admins. We've already got that one by the looks of it. We can type in, like I might type in women entrepreneurs, for instance. Women entrepreneur. No, female entrepreneur. So this is, you want to just type in as much stuff as you possibly can here. I'm going to leave it at that just for the minute, and I'll go back and play with my ads and my targeting later on down the line. I'll give it a couple of days just for the ad thing to pick up. I'll just press save audience for now. All right, there we go. So we've got an audience. And then how long do you want to run this ad for? So I'm just going to pick mine till the end of this month, which is when my deal runs out. And then you basically check your budget for the day. I'm going worldwide just to get this up and running. So I'm going to start mine fairly small. I might just tuck down the $20 a day or something for now. Just so I can give it some testing and see if there's anything that we need to change on there. And then I'm going to go back over the next few days. I will actually go back to the audience and I will change my audience. So I will, after it's got a little bit of likes, of an engagement and things like that, I'll actually change from worldwide to very specific countries that I want to target. The reason why is because, if it's just going everywhere and you're getting lots and lots of reach, lots and lots of impressions, it's just going to really rinse the budget, right? It's going to absolutely kill you financially. But I do like to give it a few days with really big reach just to kind of get some engagement on the thread, and then I narrow it the closer to the deadline that it goes. That's just my method. I'm not saying that's the way you should do it, but that's personally what I do. And there we go. So now we just need to I can't find my publish button. Where are we? Because I've got my screen sharing up over here. So I'm just going to stop sharing my screen because I can't press publish on promote now. But then we just simply press promote now, and that is done. So there we go, guys. That is in literally, it was half an hour to build the landing page, a little bit longer to just go and create the ad creatives and get the ad up and running. And boom, we have ourselves a Black Friday offer, a landing page built on our own website, connecting straight to our online school so that students can pay on the payment gateway for your online school and be automatically enrolled in that offer. And we set up an ad to get it live ASAP. Challenge you right now for any kind of offer that's coming up. You might be watching the recording of this long down the line. It might not be Black Friday anymore. It might be Christmas coming up, New Year's sales. It could be Easter coming up. There's going to be some kind of thing that you might want to do a sale for. Hopefully this video has given you the confidence to create your page, to create a landing page on your site, to see that it's not hard and scary. You can't mess things up. You can't break it. You can have fun playing and learning while you're playing, and at the same time creating something that's going to earn you money and help lots of people too. If you found this useful, I have thousands and thousands of training videos inside my academy, sarahcordiner.com/academy. It's only $47 to access over 30 of my online courses, a live monthly group coaching call with me, and lots of demo videos that come up just like this. Go on in and join us, and I am sure you will not be disappointed. There is value packed, it's practical, it's how to, it's showing you what and how to do things, not just waffling about what you need to go and do. So I really hope you've enjoyed this. Please comment and let me know how you found today's session. If there's anything else you'd like to know about or would like to see demos on, please let me know in the comments area, and I'll make sure that I chuck out a future video on how to do anything in business, tech-wise, selling online courses, digital products, creating, publishing books, and much more. Building your business and shining online. I'll be there to help you every step of the way. All good. Carol says, I recommend the Academy. It's amazing. Thank you, Carol. That's really nice of you. You've been a long-term member and I'm really delighted that you are still enjoying it all these years down the line. It's great to have you there. Thanks a lot. See you all soon for another tip. Bye for now.